Hey, how you doing? So here is a quick look at today's trades, and with the uh, using the copier, my plan was to use, I'm testing out a couple of different strategies, and with these two accounts, my goal was to stop for the day once the daily goal is met in those accounts, and the uh, goal was to hit 320 per account. So that happened with just three trades, and I think I had to wait a couple of minutes in between, which trades were taken only by other micro trades, but this was cross copied to NQ from MNQ to NQ, and another account was copied, traded only in MNQ, but the quantity was 4, and the goal there was to hit 220 actually, but it only reached 210. So in this case, many trades were taken. But even though it looks like a lot of trades, this here, for example, was a single trade. It just got filled at different times or closed at different times. So it is listed multiple times here. And same with this one. So it was a short, opened at 10:10, closed at 10:12. So those are the some of the additional trades, but the quantity is 4, and usually if everything is filled and closed at the same time, that will be listed only once. But so here are the stats of that, and the rest of the accounts were just quantity was just 1 micro. So that is basically 1/4 of what happened in these two accounts. So eventually I should be copying to all the accounts. So the goal isn't to control the market, it's to ride it with discipline and respect, and that comes with time. All right, so let's jump into the real-time executions for today.
Uptrend. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order submitted. Uptrend. Potential uptrend. Order submitted. Order cancelled. Potential uptrend. Order cancelled. Potential uptrend. Potential uptrend.
So this is the initial balance high, the 9:30 trading session, and the uptrend is confirmed. And so the couple of things that happened. So after I missed this initial trade, I did take one small trade, and after that I did not jump in again. And this was the other opportunity. I tried to enter here, it did not fill, and it did not chase. That's all right. But some of the levels today, they actually met my rules. Only thing I was waiting for here is at least a pullback to
Uptrend.
So 21 EMA, but that did not happen. And at this point, jumping in here is not a very solid plan, only because this initial balance high, and we are approaching this big number, 22,100, and I have seen many reversals or some pullbacks at this point. So let's look at the Fibonacci levels for this move from 830.
Potential downtrend.
So, even 50% pullback is possible, but I cannot take a short yet either. I'll wait for the signal. The MACD is confirming is possible potential pullback, but nothing is certain, of course.
Order submitted. downtrend.
Okay, so we have the signal and our
Order
order
filled.
failed, but it can go up at least till here. So I have to leave my stop where it is. And in a way, this is the first signal after a strong uptrend like this. So in those cases, this first signal has a lesser probability. So that is the reason to get out of this trade a little bit quicker and then re-enter if another opportunity presents. So yeah, this was a nicer pullback actually to take the long entry there, but it might nicely whipsaw me now. So if volume picks up, it might go higher. I'm also getting ready to close it if this is a little bit uncertain, and this is the difficult part of entry at this point. All right, so it is working, but not sure now. So this wick test already taken care of. So if I wanted to get out, that would have been the good spot. So I'm trying to still get out for this one here.
Order cancelled.
Yeah, I did not have the Naru to stay longer in this trade. The idea was good. So this is the one area that had to get shaken out, not as clean as the
Potential downtrend.
other entry. So when I look back, one area I can see here is, so tick by tick, when it was trying to go against me, I wanted it to go in my favor, but I also wanted to get out because I was not sure of the probability. So I got out with a smaller profit, but the trade idea itself is that we have the down signal and it should generate the 2-hour profit at least. So let's look at the risk reward here. So if the signal is given here and our stop is here, so if you enter, even if you enter at this point, so the 2-hour target is at least still 20, 30 or so, which kind of lines up with this 38% retracement, which is very likely. I would say at least 60% probability. And we also have 10 a.m. approaching, and at the top of the hour, usually there will be some movement as the start of a brand new hour.
Potential downtrend. Order filled. Potential downtrend. Order filled. Order canceled. Order filled.
I chased it. I trailed it too closely. Typically, I would still give some more room because this pullback idea is still valid. And in fact, there will be a small opposite move possibility when it hits this 23% line, and that's what just happened.
Downtrend.
But if the second leg develops, there will be another potential entry here.
Order submitted. Downtrend. Order filled. Potential uptrend. Potential uptrend. Potential uptrend.
This is not working in my favor, so we need to close it. Expecting a sideways move here. If that materializes, if it revisits one more time here, I'll be out of this. I'm okay missing out any downward move, if any. Also, I think one thing I ignored here with this entry was of the approach of the 10 a.m. I did mention that around 10 minutes ago, but when this moment came, I thought it is giving me the right location based on the signal, and I should have still waited for at least this 10:05 to pass.
Uptrend.
So the signals are giving this uptrend signal, and if this is a choppy period, they are not that reliable, and you can wait for the confirmation. MACD is also trying to turn positive. So regardless, because of the uncertainties here, when it pulls back, I want to close this and stay out for a bit until things become a little bit more clearer.
Uptrend. Potential downtrend. Potential downtrend.
Order cancelled. Order filled.
So again, I did not have enough now to stay in this trade. So I might regret this with a missed out opportunity. But this can also go sideways a little bit. Only good thing is it did capture that win, but the tendency to avoid a stop is also not a good thing.
Order submitted.
Actually, my ideal entry was this bar, middle of that bar, but not this bar. What happened was this bar just closed and this button took this as a reference. So for that reason, let me try to get out of this. If it retraces the previous bar's wick, it leads to the middle of it.
Order filled.
So I need to monitor the time remaining in that bar before hitting these buttons, because if that bar just closes, then it will just take the previous bar as the reference. It's all right.
The downtrend.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Downtrend.
Order cancelled.
All right, that still stopped out. I just wanted to move it to the break even. That was part of the plan.
Potential downtrend. Potential downtrend. Downtrend. Potential downtrend.
Order submitted.
Potential downtrend.
Order submitted.
Potential downtrend. Downtrend. Potential uptrend.
Order cancelled. Order failed.